I need somebody to talk to. Because right now I think I am borderline bad mind. You ever go on YouTube, you see? And you see them unboxing this, unboxing that, unboxing this. They shop on this, they shop on that, they shop on there, they shop on here. And them do them look unboxing video and then put it up so nicely. People watch it, they make a little money and so. Now I live in Jamaica and I not get no box. I can tell you what the problem is. You see, when you live in Jamaica, you have this place that you call Jamaica Customs Agency. You see, once your thing come in a box, you're going to pay, like Renata Adams say, dearly. You're going to pay dearly. Yeah? The worst if the item costs $100 or $200. You better have another $100 or even $120. Or else you're not getting your things. Now you might feel like them charge you too much and you feel like you want to send it back, but guess what? It probably costs you more if you send it back, so might as well just take it. But the problem really is, what I have to do now is sponge upon a friend, or an auntie, or an uncle, or a sister where I travel. So you know what that means? I buy the little something and I ship it to them, and then them say, it can't fit in the suitcase. You know what them do? Them take it out, and I say, dash the box, oh gosh, and then put it in a bag. So then, the only thing I can do, since I'm living in Jamaica, is an unbagging video. Because guess what? The things I'm going to buy online come in a bag. Either they come in a one drawstring bag, but I'm grateful still, or it come in a one little Ziploc bag, or it come in a one little white scandal bag where you know say in the store that come from. But my people, listen me now, I have a serious problem. I want the box. I want the case. But if I ever try ship it, I go and suck salt through wooden spoon just to get it from customs. If I ever try ship it, dog, nyam me supper. Why? I'm going to start make some unbagging videos. Kind of work out. All what I go on to, one of the things that really burn me is that when your auntie or your uncle or your sister or your brother carry something for you, them now bother carrying a little t-shirt, one little soccer, underpants, or for the ladies them, one little matey bag or something. You don't get that no more because them a carry your goods for you. In any case, me still give God thanks because at least me have the picture from Amazon. Yeah, me can look on that. Yeah, I mean, ciao.